again she said that.
But it's the truth.
I give her a hint, but she ignored the hint.
No, I didn't even realize. That is why, you guys, that is why I cannot lie. Because I caught
You lied to me.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, hey, hey. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Look at my finger. Sarah said, Mama, you're hurt. Tyler said, Mama, I'm sorry for you. I just sliced my finger. I was making green juice, cutting the lemon, and the lemon was giving me a hard time to cut, and the knife just goes slop, which means my knife is not sharp enough. Mean I need to sharpen my knife. The struggles. Anyway, you guys, how are you guys doing? I am all dressed, workout attire, but I am leaving the house. You ask, where are you going, girl? I am going to the stadium, bringing Tyler to training, but this morning I decided to sleep in. Normally on a Wednesday, I sleep in a little bit later than usually. I don't get up than usual. I don't get up at 5:30 on a Wednesday because I know I have to leave the house by 9 o'clock to bring Tyler to the stadium. So I normally get up like 7 o'clock, start working out at 7 o'clock, finish by 8 and get 1 hour to get ready. But this morning I said, okay, I am staying in my bed and I'm just gonna cruise control and get ready. But that was intentional because I know that the weather is good outside and it's not cold, so I can work out at the stadium. So I didn't pressure myself too much to get up this morning to work out. So I got a little rest, extra rest, and extra rest with Mel is always a plus because you guys know that I am always on the go, 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 go. With all that said, I am heading out to bring Tyler to training, track training. Tyler does track on a Wednesday, if you guys didn't know that. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. And if you're new, and if you're not new, click that thumbs up button right now. It's right underneath the video. That little thumbs up, just click on it for me. And yeah, baby's out to work. The kids in the living room. The kids are in the living room watching TV before we head out. Let me let you guys say good morning to them before we go so you can see everybody. So like Sarah is in her room right now. Finger right. Hey, hey. Chapeau, good morning. Say good morning, Faves. You want your hat? You want to wear your hat this morning? Yes. I'm gonna put it on for you.
You ready?
You ready? So your hat is on. Look at her, she loves her hat. Your hat is on, now you need your shoes. Alright. She's too cute. So that's Sarah. And let me go and find Tyler. Tyler, say good morning. Oh my God, I know he was going to start. Say good morning properly, please. Ty. And then come and show Faves what happened to you this morning. Say good morning. Say wagwan. Tyler, hurry, please.
Wagwan.
Show Faves what happened to you this morning.
No teeth.
No teeth. The bottom one went in the week and over the weekend, and the top one went this morning. So you have a whole gap right there. Too funny. Wait, you brush your teeth from morning? Go brush your teeth. Run along. Now, you brush your teeth from morning? Go brush your teeth. Both of you go brush your teeth. Anyway, Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. I'm gonna assist my kids in brushing their teeth, and then we're gonna head out in a few minutes. So brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Purple teeth.
brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Pink teeth.
brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Rainbow teeth.
brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Rainbow teeth.
brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no
Rainbow teeth.
brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We don't want no yellow teeth. We don't want no.
Yellow teeth.
We only want.
What?
Very good. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. We only want.
Black.
No! White teeth. We only want white teeth, okay? Alright. Good job.
Brush your teeth.
Good
brush
job.
Your teeth. We only want rainbow teeth.
She's installed and relaxed. Mama is getting ready to go. The sun is turned up. And Tyler is over here. But you guys can't see him. Tyler is all the way across the field, the track. Tyler in the orange. There he goes at the front. It's his turn. Come. You guys, I have to pause workout to catch this one. I see that Tyler is about to do a relay right now. Tyler is in orange, about to get the baton. I'm not sure who is gonna give him. Maybe it's the guy in front, but let's see. Oh no, it's the guy in back. Come on, Tyler! Come on, Tyler! Come on, Tyler! Come on, Tyler, you can't catch him back. Go in the first lane. Go over in the first lane. Go, 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 go. He had a big advantage, but he's still going. Go, Tyler! Go, Ty! Oh, he's tired like. You Sarah cheering Ty Ty.
No, Dada. I will run.
He's taking away all your protection, Sarah. You remember the slap what you get with her foot yesterday? Be careful this time.
Need to push her. Sarah, you need to go backwards. Sarah. Ouais, elle est lourde. T'es lourde, Sarah. En fait, c'est pas lourd. Ouh. Sarah is tight, tight. T'appuies sur les freins. Sarah, tight, tighter. Sarah, tight, tighter.
You're too funny. This little thing you got. What's on your hand? What you have on your hand? But you covered his face. This whole family is a clown.
Mama can do it. I'll hold the camera.
So wait. So Tyler is trying to do his face like this man. Each time we press the back of him, his eyes move and his mouth moves. Dinner today for the kids. They love this hamburger meat, and since I have no motivation to cook any big meal today, that's what they're getting along with air fried fries. So the nice on display, and I will have chicken and some fries. I wanted to wait on this man to end this vlog.
Give me a kiss here.
What for? What's so special?
Because his head is hurting.
Whenever he's having a headache, he like when I kiss it or I rub it or squeeze it, put pressure on it. He's such a delicate flower. My God.
Yes, I am.
You guys, I wanted to share a story with you.
Yeah.
So, Tyler completely believe in tooth fairy. Like he believed that tooth fairy is somebody who something who really comes in the house and take his tooth and give him money.
Funny.
So,
One fact is that the tooth fairy in French we call it la petite souris.
the little rat.
The little mouse, better than rat.
Little
So
mouse.
I don't know in his head if he imagined that he's a little mouse or
That's
he's a
really
little
cool.
fairy or. But
So I've been allowing him to believe in his fairy, just like I allow him to believe in Santa Claus. But he really have a different perspective on tooth fairy than the Santa Claus, because he knows that the gifts for Christmas come from his parents and
but
family.
yesterday, for example, whenever he put his
Hold on,
teeth-
they say they can't hear you these days when you end the vlog because you're speaking too low.
Okay, so yesterday, for example, before he went to bed, he put his teeth under his pillow, and he, at the point I went in his room and I felt like he was still up, and he said, "Yeah, I'm trying to stay up so I can see when
That's what he said?
when the little mouse will come, because I really want to see it." So I tell him that the mouse only come. I say the mouse.
Fall asleep.
Yeah, when he fall asleep. So and then I went to bed myself. I completely forget and chill. This morning,
I always make sure he's in deep sleep before I sneak out the tooth and sneak in the money. So this morning, here babe and him having their conversation about the tooth fairy, because they're always having some kind of conversation. So here babe, him pull me in the conversation. Tyler, ask mama about tooth fairy and Jamaica. So hear me telling him about how we do it in Jamaica, because where I grew up in Jamaica, we don't do tooth fairy. Whenever our tooth fall out, we throw it on top of the house top. Right? That's it. Your parents not give you the money, cause which parents that take up their money give you? And we don't believe in tooth fairies. Okay? So me being bluntly truthful, telling Tyler, here Tyler, mama, how is it in Jamaica? So hear me. I'm telling him that we throw our tooth on top of the house because our parents don't have money to give us. So here Tyler.
I was like this. What you telling him? What you telling
him the truth.
And Tyler was just beside me.
He was lost. He said, but mama, why would your parents need money and his tooth fairy come in? And I look at me and be dying with laugh, trying to catch my attention.
Trying to stop it, and she go and yeah, and we don't have no money, and so we can't. Again, she said that.
But it's the truth.
I give her a hint, but she ignored the hint.
No, I didn't even realize. That is why, you guys, that is why I cannot lie. Because I'll call
You lied to me.
Maybe box you, man.
They lied to me. Oh, you can't lie to your kid, but you can lie to me.
That is why I cannot lie, because I'm caught in my lie. I'm going to tell you the truth, and whether you like it or not, you're just going to hear it like it is. So me telling him that we throw our tooth on top of the house because our parents don't have money to give us for every tooth that fall out. So you tell, I was like, but mama, why your parents? So I have to, why your parents need money? I have to hurry up and catch myself and make up a story and give him real quick to take myself out of the gutter. But I think he bought it. But I know in his head, deep down, he is probably thinking.
Yeah, right now you make him think.
He's not
I can
stupid.
be sure 199%.
I know that for a fact.
You give him to think.
Yes. Listen, Tyler is so smart, and I know what I said this morning. Don't just go over his head and he sweep it under the ground.
She's gonna ask all of his friends.
No, but funny enough, he told me that, Mama, only one tooth remain to come out, so the fairy is gonna come back just one time. That's what he told me this evening, and he's coming, so we're gonna end the vlog right now before he come tell me same here everything what we're talking about. Wait.
Ah, big boy. What is it, big boy? Attention, regarde ses lunettes.
Hi,
Alors, tu
Tyler.
viens là.
Yes.
I can't breathe with my nose.
So breathe through your mouth. Open your mouth.
But I don't want to open.
You don't have a
You don't have
choice.
choice.
But you got something to make
No.
me sleep.
Tell her there's no such things. No such things to make you sleep, okay? No such things. So the only thing you're just trying to sleep. So you open your mouth
And breathe.
and then you
And
fall
fall
asleep. Okay?
Okay.
Tell face night night.
Night night.
Run along.
What are you doing with Papa?
We're ending the vlog.
Nothing
I
ending
want
the
to
vlog.
do you out.
So come,
Alright, come.
come here.
And look who showed up.
Yeah, so this is the end of the day. I'm gonna watch some football. She have some work to do, and this the boy is about to go to sleep.
Go back to bed.
Go back to bed.
So, tell him what to do, Ty. Give this video a
Thumbs up
comment down,
below.
subscribe if you are new, catch up, and
Keep up
we'll see you guys
tomorrow.